Hello, children. How are you all? Meeting you after a long time. So, this time I am sending you the video of direct and reported speech part 2. Part 1 I had sent children. We had also done the exercise. I had given you homework, I think so. So, that was a simple direct to indirect speech. Regarding direct speech, we will revise once again that something you talk in front of others means directly. If you speak the person, that is indirect speech. If you tell the word said by that person to somebody else, we often use tell in reported orders and ask in reported request. We can also use verbs like order, command, advise, request in reported speech. The pattern of reported order and request is reporting verb tell, ask plus person spoken to and to infinity. We tell or ask somebody to do something. We often use tell in reported orders and ask in reported request. Direct speech, for example, clean the board, the teacher said to the boy. The teacher told the boy to clean the board. Infinitive आ गया ना. Second, turn off the TV, she said. She told him to turn off the TV. Him, her, it is granted. Means you can take her also. She told her to turn off the TV. She told him to turn off the TV because it is not given in the question. Don't talk loud, he said to the children. He told the children not to talk loud. Please open the window, she said. Whenever words like please will come, it is nothing that but request. So she requested him to open the window. Don't shoot, said the officer. The officer ordered the soldiers not to shoot. Soldiers has been taken for granted because often soldiers will only shoot या फिर policeman. तो आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. The officer ordered the policeman not to shoot. The officer ordered the soldier not to shoot. Okay. Improve your spelling, the teacher said. The teacher advised me to improve my spelling. Yeah, teacher advised her to improve her spelling. Any way you want, you can do it. So, is it clear, children? Don't plus go, speak, drive, etc. Not to go, not to speak, not to drive. Okay. To not to go, speak, or drive, etc. So, now exercise turn into reported speech. What is reported speech? Is the other name of indirect speech. Come in, he said to her. He asked her to get inside. Yeah, come inside. He asked her to come inside. He told her to come inside. Whichever you want, you can use. Don't make a noise, he said to the boys. He ordered the boys not to make a noise. He ordered the boys not to make a noise. Please help me with the homework, Radha said to her mother. Radha requested her mother to help her in her homework. Me nahi रहेगा. Take the tablets before meals, the doctor said to her. The doctor advised her to take the tablets before meals. Before, is there anything we had talked about before? Before के बदले नहीं. Before will be same. The doctor advised her to take the tablets before meals. Don't go there, he said. He told her not to go there. He told him not to go there. ऐसे भी आ सकता. Him or her depend upon you. Whatever you want, you can use because nothing is mentioned there. We are talking about, friends, lesson number 20, page number 80 and 81. Okay. Please don't disturb me, she said. She requested her not to disturb her. Yes, she requested him not to disturb her. Don't touch the wire, they said. She advised him not to touch the wire. Wash your face, she said to the boy. She ordered the boy to wash his face. Please give me a glass of water, he said. He requested her to give him a glass of water. He requested her to give him a glass of water. Don't drive so fast, I said. She ordered him not to drive fast. Okay. Now, Mrs. Das has 4 children, Usha, Chaya, Vimla and Rupa. Yesterday she was ill, so she told her daughters to do certain things. Report what she said. Sweep the house, Usha. She told Usha to sweep the house. Wash the plates, Vimla. She told Vimla to wash the plates. Water the plants, Rupa. She requested Rupa to water the plants. या request नहीं भी लिखा. She asked Rupa to water the plants. That also. She ordered Rupa to water the plants. Clean the windows, Chaya. She told Chaya to clean the windows. Don't forget to feed the dog, Usha. She reminded Usha not to forget to feed the dog. Go to the market, Vimla and Rupa. She said Vimla and Rupa to go to the market. Boil the eggs, Chaya. She ordered Chaya to boil the eggs. Make tea, Vimla. She ordered Vimla to make the tea. Okay. So now you should not be having any doubts or anything. You should complete your work, dear ones, because as it is, we are not coming to school. But my dear ones, sitting at home, you can do the homework. Okay. Okay then. Page exercise lesson number 21. Page number 82 and 83 we will be discussing in this video. So, okay. What I had kept is now, before we did 20 lesson, this is a third part of the direct and reported speech. So, study the following examples. Direct speech. What are you doing? The policeman said to them. The policeman asked them that what they were doing. You का they, them का they हो गया. What they were asked what they were doing. Where क्यों आया? क्योंकि plural है ना? Direct speech. Where have you put my glasses? She asked. She asked her where he had put her glasses. What do you want? I asked. I asked what she wanted. Direct speech. He said, who phoned you? He asked who had phoned me. Have you switched off the TV? She said. She asked whether I had switched off the TV because it's a question. Whether or not. टीवी बंद किया है या नहीं किया है. ऐसे समय में हाँ या ना के उत्तर के लिए आपको वेदर यूज करना पड़ेगा. वेदर कौन सा? WHETHER. हाँ या ना. She asked whether I had switched off the TV. Are you from Nepal? I asked. I inquired whether they were from Nepal. Is your father in? He said. He inquired whether my father was in. Can you drive? I asked her. I asked her whether she could drive. Here are some notes that we will be discussing, children. Tenses, pronouns, etc. in reported question change in the same way as in reported statement and command. Tenses and pronouns. Reported questions do not have same word auxiliary plus subject. Auxiliary verb अपन ने discuss किया है, children. Can, may, will, would, like that. Auxiliary plus subject as direct questions often have. As in statements, the verb comes after the subject. Do, does, did is not used. Question marks are not used. So this point should be noted. You are not supposed to use question mark in reported speech. Reported speech, again I am reminding you, is an indirect speech. See, for example, are you from Nepal? I asked. That is, direct speech is ending before I asked with question mark. But in reported speech, I inquired whether they were from Nepal. Is your father in? He said. He inquired whether your father was in. तो इसमें रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं आते हैं और डू डज डिड आर नॉट यूज्ड. If the question begins with the question word what, when, this, who, this word serves as a link between the reporting verb and reported question. See the examples. If the direct question has no question, अभी एग्जाम्पल देखिए, वेयर हैव यू पुट माई ग्लास. WH क्वेश्चन से क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो रहा, लेकिन शी आस्क्ड वेयर ही हैड पुट हर ग्लासेस, है ना. तो वो इट विल बी reporting verb and reported question, serves as a link between. If the direct question has no question words, if the question is one which can be answered by yes or no, the conjunction whether or if is placed before the reported question. ये भी हमने डिस्कस किया है कि वेदर कब डालना पड़ता है, जब आंसर यस या नो में रहता है. नो भी हो सकता है, यस भी हो सकता, तब आपको वेदर डालना ही पड़ेगा. See example 5 to 8. Okay. Where have they gone? He said. He asked where they had been. Where they had been. Have they gone to the park? He asked her. He asked her whether they had gone to the park. Whether they had gone to the park. Why are you smiling? He said. He asked why he was smiling. Why were you smiling? आर है ना, तो वर हो जाएगा. He asked why were you smiling. Will you return the CDs tomorrow? I said. I asked whether they will be returning the CDs tomorrow. Who told you the news? I asked to her. I asked her that who told her the news. Is that the town hall? He asked. He asked whether that was town hall. Did you record the TV program? He said. He asked whether you had recorded the TV program. How old are you? He said to me. He asked me that how old I am. How old I am. Have they videoed the function? He asked. He asked whether they had videoed the function. Where do you work? He said. He asked that where I worked. How long have you been waiting? I asked her. I asked her, I enquired that how long she had been waiting. Since how long she had been waiting. Do you know how to operate the computer? He said to me. He asked me whether I know how to operate the computer. Did you see Tom at the party? He asked. He asked me if I had seen Tom at the party. Can you swim? I asked her. She asked me, can I swim? Has the film come out on video? I asked. He asked whether the film had come out on video. Check your answer with a partner and then interact with another pair if necessary. So, here you have to check the answers, and here is the end of our reported speech. First 19th lesson I had sent earlier only. 20 and 21 I am sending in this video. I hope you had done 19th also completed. If not, please complete, children. It's a high time that you should know direct and reported speech, because again in the 8th standard you will have some modified examples. मॉडिफाइड एग्जाम्पल्स रहेंगे, तब आपको तकलीफ हो जाएंगी. आपको ये बेसिक आना चाहिए, देन यू विल बी डूइंग दैट मॉडिफाइड एग्जाम्पल्स. सो आई होप all are doing their best in the all are doing their best in the books, and reading also, listening the videos. You are all very good children. So let's hope for the best and see you till the next video.